This tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Netflix app. So if you want to get the latest features that comes with the Netflix app, then you need to go ahead and update it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to update this Netflix app, we need to access Google Play Store, and my Google Play Store is here. If you're using an Android smartphone, however, if you're using an iPhone, then you need to go ahead and access App Store. So for my case, I'll go ahead and tap on Google Play Store and then proceed and search for Netflix. Now you can see our Netflix app is here. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have an update. So to update your app, you need to just go ahead and tap on update. Now, by doing this, we'll go ahead and get the latest version of Netflix app that is more secure and with the latest features. One of the reasons why your app might have been malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated app. So by updating your app, you start using the latest version from Netflix. Once the app has been downloaded, it will go ahead and replace the older version of Netflix app on your smartphone. Now, once it's done, you'll see we shall have an option to go ahead and open our app here. That means our app is now up to date. Now, in your case, if you didn't see an update option, it means you already have an up-to-date app and you don't need to update it. So proceed now and open your app, and here you'll be using the most updated app on your smartphone. So that's how you update your Netflix app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this video to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.